Hey guys, I received lots of messages and comments about how I find those images from the albums, things I found on the internet today. And I thought it would be a good idea to just show you my process in a way. It's nothing crazy, not complicated, it's just mostly Reddit and a bit of Twitter. So, let's start. So, I don't know if you know Reddit. It's a huge website, let's say, like social media, where you can find lots of subreddits. So see it as like a categories in a big forum, and you can find pretty much any subreddits that you want. It can be like pyramids. I don't know, like this one is military porn, this one is architecture, and this one is museum. So you have to find the good subreddits you want, and then you just go through that feed and pick the images you want. To show you a bit my subreddits, here they are. So I have a bit of everything, like cinematography, castle, astronomy, fashion, engineering. So everything I like, I just, for example, I can show you what I can pick. Animation, let's say. And there is a subreddit here about animation, and it's not only images, it can be, I don't know, like posts or texts or linked to another website or anything. So once you find one you like, you just click on join, and then you will have it on your subreddit list and you will see it in your homepage. So once you found your subreddits, you don't need to do anything, but basically going through the feed can be pretty fast, and there is a way to save the posts you want to keep. So basically, I'm not using the current version of Reddit, which is this one. So it's www.reddit.com, because it's not really practical for the use I have, and I will show you what I use instead. So I'm using the old version of Reddit. So the address is old.reddit.com. Okay, and with that, I'm using an extension called Reddit Enhancement Suite, or Suite. And you can see that it's working with Chrome, Edge, Opera. Is it Opera? Yeah. And Firefox. It's not working on Safari for the Mac users, so that's why I'm using Chrome only for Reddit. So once you have this extension installed, it will show you a couple of options. The first one, and to me the most interesting one, is the show images. So you click on it and it will show you bigger images from those links. It will also make like a infinite scroll, so you don't need to go through pages. If you click on the images and slide, you can resize the image so it can be useful. And my process is basically this. So I go in my feed and I check everything. So for example, so that's cool. Let's say I want to keep this one for later. So here I have a button with save, so I click on it and it will be saved in my saved post here. So if I open a tab, you can see all the saved posts I already made. So let's do a couple of them. So that's cool too, so I keep it. That's nice too. And you can see that every time, not every time, but most of the time, people write the description. So it's useful to have the context sometimes. For example, this. If I want to see more info or read the comments, I just click on the comments here. And sometimes it's interesting because you can find links or more information like this, like image source and more info. And then you dig and you find other cool stuff. So let's save that one too. That's money. Like that's cool too, and I already saved it. Another last one. So usually in the morning I just spend maybe 15 or 20 minutes going through that feed. Like that's cool too. And once I have everything, I go back to the top, I click on saved, and basically I just open a new tab with every images I want to save. So let's say that. And if I want to save the image, I just click on it, it's open it, and I just save it where I need. And yeah, and basically after that, if the title of the post is good enough, I just copy it and paste it in Photoshop. Or if it's not precise enough, I will do some research and to add more context or details. And I think that's all. What else can I tell you? Twitter is also pretty good. So for example, I can show you. I'm not posting anything on Twitter, but it has a really good algorithm for your feed. So if you find a couple of pretty good Twitter accounts, you don't need to follow too many people. So what can I show you? There is some really good like her account, and that one too. Yeah, she's sharing lots of really cool, mostly architecture, but she's posting really cool stuff like this. So once I find something I like, I just click on the like button, and in my profile I can just go to the like and do the same process as Reddit. So that's it. I hope it helps. And yeah, if you have any question, just feel free to message me or just leave a comment under that video. See you.